it is me again. For those of you guys who are new here, my name is Maria. I just want to share with you guys my quick little no makeup. I say that it's something that you can do in under 10 to 15 minutes because it's super simple. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. And don't forget to show me some love and hit that like button. So here we go, you guys. It is Monday and me and Karina are gonna do a little date night. We're just gonna go to Legends Tasty House. I think that's what it's called, Legends Tasty House. And they do rolled ice cream. So I'm gonna get ready and I just have on some gold hoops as per usual. I did a little top knot, show you guys. And I have on this really cute like black dress. As you can see, this is me with no makeup. I have my brows tinted. I definitely need some help, but I don't want to put a lot of makeup on today. First thing I'm going to start out with is a Paradise mask because it does give your skin that extra glow. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And did you guys notice how like bright my skin looks now? It's just a lot better than it did. Honestly, I've really been writing hard for this. It absorbs super quick, so I just go ahead and press that into my skin. Every time I go to touch my face, it just feels so soft from those products. Like the mask and this alone just leave your skin feeling so soft and beautiful. You know, if I wasn't trying to look cute on my little date, I probably would just leave looking like this. I'm gonna top off that illuminating oil with some Primera water cream. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows really quick with some Infallible Full Wear concealer. And now I'm just gonna take my finger and lightly blend that out. This is what we have so far. I just press that color down into the concealer so we can set it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime just right under my eye. It's all pretty much concentrated under my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use my Infallible Full Wear one more time. And this concealer just blends so perfectly and it really has a nice finish. And you don't have to worry about it wearing out throughout the day. It's such a great concealer. Now that I've tried it out and used it a great handful of times, I can say that it's definitely one of my favorite drugstore concealers. It's just so beautiful. So now that we have that, you guys, I'm going to go into the next product, which is going to be this Hydra Mist and Refresh powder from Becca. First of all, you guys, it leaves this really cool sensation on the skin when you start patting it down. So since that Becca powder took away a lot of the shine to my face, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Fix Plus just to bring a little bit of that moisture back. How are we looking, guys? I feel like it's looking really good so far. Like I can never go without not contouring my nose. It's just my favorite thing to do. And I'm also gonna take that onto the forehead. I feel like I have such a big forehead. I just love going in. So now we have some color back to the skin, but it's still looking really fresh and minimal. And I'm just gonna use my Tarte Big Ego mascara. And now for the final step, we're gonna go ahead and add some highlight. I love this palette, still to this day. I'm gonna go in with Glow Getter. It's just the bottom middle highlight. It's just a really pretty gold highlight. as you can see, I like to just focus on skincare, and then the makeup products are just minimal that I put on top. I'm also going to add some clear gloss to my lips. I definitely feel beautiful walking out the door like this. Like I said, this is the finished look. It looks super clean. It's really simple and easy to do, so I hope you get to try it out. It'll save you a lot of time in getting out the door, because I know. Please don't forget to hit the like button before you guys leave. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the bell notification just so you guys know the next time I upload. I'm going to go eat some ice cream now and hang out with my boo. Looks so good. This is what mine looks like.